students, myself Wakode sir, and I am here to teach you English subject. So today we are going to start our first poem, and the name of that poem is Cherry Tree. It is 2.1 Cherry Tree. And this poem is written by Ruskin Bond. The poet of this poem is Ruskin Bond. So this is the first part of our first poem. It is 2.1 Cherry Tree, which is written by Ruskin Bond. So in this first part, we are going to learn introduction of the poet. So open your books, page number 66. On this page number, in this blue part, there is given little information about the poet and little information about the poem. So that introduction in this first part we are going to learn. Now listen carefully. Ruskin Bond, born in Kasauli, Himachal Pradesh in 1934. Here we get information about the poet Ruskin Bond, that he born in a small village, small town, Kasauli, which was in the Himachal Pradesh state. And Ruskin Bond born in 1934. Ruskin Bond has written hundreds of short stories. Hundreds, it means many. Let me give you the meaning of that word. Words meaning. Here, the meaning of hundreds. It means many. Hundreds of short stories, essays, novels, and more than 30 books for children. Now here we are getting information what Ruskin Bond had written in his life. He had written hundreds of short stories. It means many short stories he had written, many essays, many novels, and more than 30 books for children, for small children he had written in his life. His first novel. Now here we are getting information about his first novel. His first novel, The Room on the Roof. This is the name of that novel, The Room on the Roof. Written when he was 17, received the John Llewellyn Rhys Memorial Prize in 1957. So when he wrote his first novel, The Room on the Roof, that novel he wrote at the age of 17. It means he was of the age of you, or more than 1 year older than you. And at that age he wrote that novel, and for that novel he got the prize of John Llewellyn Rhys Memorial Prize in 1957. He got prize for that first novel. He has also published 2 volumes. Volume, it means, look at here. Volumes, it means a book forming parts work or series. Volume of autobiography. Autobiography it means, look at here. Autobiography it means one's life story written by oneself. If I am writing a story on my own life, so that story will be called my autobiography. It means I am writing story on my own life, my own experiences, so that will be my own autobiography. So in the same way, Ruskin Bond had written his autobiography, and here we are getting information about his autobiography. He has also published 2 volumes of autobiography. He wrote his autobiography, but that he published in 2 volumes, in 2 different parts, into different series. First part, scenes from the writer's life, and second part, the lamp is lit. In these 2 parts, he wrote his autobiography. He presented his own thoughts, his own feelings, his own experiences in his autobiography. A collection of essays and episode from his journal. Journal it means, look at here. Journal it means daily record of a person's life or diary. So whatever he had written in his autobiography, so for that he used his journal it means his own diary, his own book in which he was writing his daily experiences. So that book, that diary is called journal. And there was some collection of essays, few episodes he used in his autobiography. In 1992, he received a Sahitya Akademi Award for English writing in India. So, in 1992, he received a very great award in India, and the name of that award is Sahitya Akademi Award. And this award he got for English writing in India. Particularly in India, there are very few writers who write in English language, and therefore he had got that prize for what? He was writing in English, particularly in India. For that he got the prize Sahitya Akademi Award in 1992. He was awarded the Padma Shri in 1999. In 1999, he also got another award, and that is Padma Shri. Ruskin Bond lives with his adopted family. Adopted it means, look at the board. Adopted it means legally take another's child and bring it up as owns one's own. Ruskin Bond lives with his adopted family in Mussoorie, Uttarakhand. So, here we are getting information that with the parents, with the father and mother Ruskin Bond was living, those were not his real father and mother. He was adopted by them. Do you understand? Ruskin Bond was adopted by them. They are not his real father and mother. And he was living with those adopted family, with those adopted father and mother in Mussoorie, Uttarakhand. Next paragraph, the poem Cherry Tree. Now here we are getting information about the poem. In the first part we learned about the poet. Now here we are getting information about the poem. The poem Cherry Tree is about poet's ecstasy. Ecstasy, it means, look at the board. Ecstasy, it means feeling of great happiness or joyful excitement over a tree which he planted, which took 8 years to grow. So this poem is about a cherry tree. So after planting this tree, cherry tree, when that tree slowly grow up. So after that, what kind of feelings were in the poet's mind? What was he thinking about that? What kind of happiness he had at that time that he presented in this poem? And that tree, that cherry tree, took 8 years to grow up, to be fully grown. He is expressing his wonder at the way of nature and how the cherry blossoms. Blossom, it means, look at the board. Blossom, it means a mass of flowers on the tree. So what is the meaning of mass? Mass, it means in large quantity, in large number. Blossoms are fragile. Fragile, it means easily broken. Fragile and quick to fall. Now here we are getting information. In this poem, the poet expressing his wonder about the way of nature, how the cherry tree get blossom. It means how the cherry tree in a particular season there are many flowers, mass of flower in a large quantity. We can see flowers on that tree, and those flowers are very fragile. It means easily those flowers could be break from that branch, from that tree, and fall down. The tree gives him immense. Immense, it means lot of. Immense joy as he can see the stars and the blue sky through dappled green tree. Dappled, it means mark with spots. So here we are getting information that the tree, that cherry tree, gives lot of joy, immense happiness to the poet Ruskin Bond. And when that tree little bit grow up, so he always goes and sleep under that tree and look sky up in the high from that under that tree. And there are some spots in the tree which are very blank. It means through those blank spots we can see sky, and few places are completely covered with the tree's leaves and few places are left blank. So he liked to sleep under that tree and look the sky and look the stars in the sky through those small spaces, small blank spaces of the tree. So in this way, this introduction of the poet and the poem ends here. So today we are going to stop here. Have a good day to all of you. Thank you very much.